You don't lose your drive all at once. It slips quietly, like air from a slow leak. First you feel a little less excited, then a little less focused, and before you know it, even the things that once lit you up feel heavy. You start questioning yourself. Was I ever really motivated, or was that just a phase? But here's the truth most people don't realize. Your drive isn't gone. It's buried. And if you know where to dig, you can bring it back. Stronger, sharper, and more resilient than before. The first step is brutally simple, yet deeply uncomfortable. Get honest about what's draining you. Most people try to fix motivation without removing the things that are silently killing it. Maybe it's a job that no longer challenges you, habits that drain your energy, or even constant comparison that chips away at your confidence. Drive doesn't disappear randomly, it gets suffocated. Sit with yourself and ask, what's taking more from me than it's giving? The clarity you gain here is powerful, because once you identify the leak, you can start to seal it. Without this step, every attempt to get motivated is like pouring water into a bucket with holes. The second step is to reconnect with a reason that actually matters to you. Not what sounds impressive, not what people expect, but what genuinely pulls you forward. Somewhere along the way, many people replace their own desires with borrowed ambitions. They chase goals that look good on paper but feel empty in reality. That's a fast way to lose drive. Think back to a time when you felt unstoppable. What were you working toward, and why did it matter? Your brain responds to meaning, not just outcomes. When your goal has emotional weight, your energy changes. You don't have to force yourself, you feel drawn to it. That's where real drive begins again. The third step is to shrink the battlefield. When everything feels overwhelming, motivation collapses under the pressure of too many expectations. You tell yourself you need to fix your entire life, rebuild your routine, achieve massive results, and your mind quietly shuts down. Instead, make your focus ridiculously small. One task, one action, one win. When you complete something manageable, you send a signal to your brain. Progress is happening. That signal is addictive in the best way. It builds momentum. And momentum is what most people confuse with motivation. You don't wait to feel driven. You create drive by moving, even in tiny steps. The fourth step is to change your environment before trying to change yourself. This is where most people get it backwards. They rely on willpower while surrounding themselves with distractions, negativity, or comfort zones that keep them stuck. Your environment shapes your behavior more than your intentions ever will. If your phone is always within reach, your focus will break. If your space feels dull and uninspiring, your energy will follow. Even small adjustments, cleaning your workspace, setting boundaries, surrounding yourself with people who are building something, can shift your internal state dramatically. You don't need more discipline, you need fewer obstacles between you and action. The fifth step is to rebuild trust with yourself. This might be the most overlooked piece of the puzzle. Every time you say you'll do something and don't follow through, a small crack forms in your self-trust. Over time, those cracks turn into doubt. You stop believing in your own promises, and without that belief, drive fades. The solution isn't to make bigger promises, it's to make smaller ones and keep them. Consistency, even at a basic level, rebuilds your confidence. When you prove to yourself that you can rely on your own actions, your drive doesn't need to be forced. It returns naturally, because now it has something to stand on. As you move through these steps, something interesting begins to happen. You stop chasing motivation like it's some magical feeling you need to wait for. Instead, you realize that drive is built through clarity, meaning, action, environment, and trust. It's not something you find, it's something you create. And once you understand that, you stop feeling stuck. You start feeling in control again. So if you're in a phase where everything feels slow, heavy, or uncertain, don't panic. You're not broken, and you're not done. You're just disconnected. And now you have a way back. Start small. Stay consistent. Be honest with yourself. And most importantly, don't wait for the perfect moment. The moment you take even a single step forward, your drive starts waking up. Now here's your challenge. Pick one of these steps and act on it today. Not tomorrow, not next week, today. Because the longer you wait, the deeper that buried drive stays hidden. But the moment you act, you begin the process of bringing it back to life. And once it's back, everything changes.